Hey y'all, Crazy Keon here, giving you a review of the Riverstone Legacy by Forest River by none other than my big brother, Big Brother Rob.
The triaxle?
The Riverstone Legacy.
Crazy. Both sides. Don't have to turn sideways. Okay, and this is where you put the gun safe. There's actually a hamper in here for dirty clothes. How you get to it? Oh, you get to it from the bathroom. We'll show that shortly. TV, plenty of storage. I like this because it has a slide. This has to be a slide.
It is. It is, yeah.
So it has a slide. Then you come in here, look at this. We have the Jack and Jill. We have a toilet that has plenty of room. There's nothing in front of it, so we can sit and relax. Shower's
Can you
nice.
rephrase that?
Oh, I'm gonna sit.
We can sit and relax?
We people.
Oh, okay.
People out there in YouTube
I just
land.
needed to make sure, because I don't...
We're not all gonna poop together, but we could all sit in here and relax.
And kumbaya.
Come visit. I'll go spray, wait 5 minutes. Then you come. Spray, wait 10 minutes, because yours is worse than mine, because you don't know how to eat well.
Oh, God.
Okay. I love the shower, bench, plenty of room, the shower head, you have somewhere to put your soap. Still, more storage. The bathroom has plenty of storage for towels, washcloths, and then you have a walk-in closet, people. Not only do you have a walk-in closet, but you have a dresser, a full-length mirror. Okay? So now your girlfriend, your wife, you jump off, I don't know what you do. God bless you. Can get in here and look at everything. Look at all the clothes that she could hang. You're not men. You're not hanging anything. You're gonna get a container. She's gonna give you black, yellow top. You're gonna fold everything in there, put it in there. You're not hanging anything. She's hanging everything. This is perfect. Look at all the storage in here where she's gonna put all her shoes, because nothing else is going here. Everything for you is outside. But the doors, she has a bench to sit and put her shoes on. This is a beautiful fifth wheel. It's probably heavy as hell. We're gonna check the weight shortly. But I love that we could both brush our teeth. Plenty of storage. Plenty of storage. Quality. This isn't IKEA. This isn't particle board. This is real wood. You get what you pay for. Now I know I keep on going back to the Class A, but think, this is $30,000 less than the Class A. They put all the quality into this, minus the motor. You know what I'm saying? But this is the quality you want. You just have to get a $70,000, $80,000 truck to pull it.
Or it sits and you live in it.
This is a live-in fifth wheel. You buy some land, you put this on here, you get your sewer and your electric, and it's perfect because this is quality. It's not gonna fall apart. These walls always make me nervous because Forest River, that's just what they do. But at the end of the day, this is a lot sturdier than some of the walls I've touched that just sink in. You know, so you know, this whole RV is quality, and we haven't even gotten to the living room. But I love the bed. I love the windows on each side. I love it so far. Excuse me. Let's open this bathroom and see. So we have 1.5. We have 1.5. This is the half bath, and in the half bath, excuse me for blocking, you have your washer and dryer. Now, don't have the dryer on while you're in here trying to drop a deuce. It's gonna be ugly. You might pass out. Drink water. And also here go the dirty clothes that you put in from the hole from your room that you just grab out and put right in the washing machine. That is very logical. I like it. It has a nice size sink. The toilet is decent because you still have room. It also has a remote control for the vent. Remote control here, vent up there, huge mirror. This is a quality RV, people. I like this.
So these, yeah, the Riverstones, we've seen them all now.
These are our friends that keep getting in the video with us, and we love them.
Right, we signed the release. It's over.
Yeah. Look, they're not wanted in 20 states. They don't mind being put on film. This is your sectional. You want to watch a football game? You have your I love the fireplace. These fireplaces are really good. If you keep the door closed during the wintertime, you can heat this whole area with that. TV perfect, of course, ceiling fan. And then the kitchen is roomy. I'm a big guy. It's Thanksgiving. I'm prepping here. I have counter space. I have double sinks. I mean, the oven isn't the biggest, but hey, listen. Hopefully you have an air fryer and you have, you know, a convection top like I just bought, and you love it. Full fridge. I love this RV. This is quality. And again, if you don't have a truck to pull it, you put this in your backyard. This is perfect if you have a nice yard and the kids come home from college, they have somewhere to sleep. The only thing is not a 2-bedroom. It's only 1 bed. It's not even a loft. So it would just be for 1 person. But if you have land, North Carolina, Georgia, wherever, you put this on there, you set it down, it's gonna last for a long time. I'm sure the warranty on this thing is beautiful because it's built so well.
Well, you heard it, people. You've heard it from a Forest River owner. This is quality.
This,
Riverside?
yes, Legacy.
Riverstone Legacy. We got a correction.
This thing is nice. Yeah.
So Big Brother Rob was talking about how much it weighs. Almost 19K. So yeah, you're not pulling this with an F-150, folks. You need at least a 1 ton. I would definitely suggest having something closer to a 450. This is a lot of beast to put behind a truck.
Wait, that's before you add anything to it.
What do you think about that 19,000? I mean, I definitely wouldn't pull this with a 1 ton. I would probably go 450.
No, you have to have a dually, and most dualies are gonna pull 30,000 pounds.
Yeah.
So you're good. Even Chevy now pulls 30,000 pounds.
Yeah.
But it's this heavy because of the quality in there. Everything in there is solid. That's real furniture. Those are real countertops. It's not hollow. You know, so you get what you pay for. 2,454 pounds. It's 600 pounds under what my truck could pull. So if you were to get on what was just reviewed, the Riverstone Legacy, you need a dually.
Oh yeah, you need a 3/4 ton.
You need a
easy.
dually that could pull 30,000 pounds.
Yes, sir.
Because I have a 2020 Dodge Ram 2500, and I'm 17,999, and ain't no way I can pull that thing. That once I put me in it, that's 300 pounds, and then once you put 500 pounds of gear in it, you're done.
300 pounds? Never would have guessed that.
Yeah, I'm heavy structured, big boned. You know, I got a big bone density. This beard is 15 pounds. You understand what I'm saying? It's a lot to carry around. Yes. Yes. I haven't. The only time I see my feet is when I'm laying down. So I'm a big man. I'm going.
You wonder why I have him on. Well, you heard it, folks. The Riverstone is definitely quality, and it has made our top buy list for the 2025 Hershey RV show. Not only did you hear it from me, but you heard it from Big Brother Rob, and as he's already stated, he is an expert.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm a Forest River expert, and I know that's a good RV. They made some stuff, but listen, you get what you pay for in the RV world. If you want cheap, you're gonna get cheap. If you want to spend some money, then you're gonna pray that you get what you spent your money on.
And the $208,000 or $218,000, you're definitely gonna spend some money, but you're gonna have quality for your money.
You're gonna have an RV that's gonna maintain its price.
Yep.
And is gonna last for a long time.
You heard it from Big Brother Rob. See you when we see you on the next video. And as usual, he's out of here.